We are on a mission to inspire 1 million gardeners. Social media is going to play a critical role for us to reach the million mark, and we can't do it alone.
It's really a dream that we are able to be here today.
We identified green change makers, people who are creating amazing content to inspire and help people undertake gardening. And their content deserves to be amplified and reach maximum number of people.
Million Gardeners is a pet project that I always had, and not alone, but with people whom we have looked up to, we have seen, and we get inspired by the work they do in gardening and other fields.
People say, I don't know what to create a content on. And I'll tell you, the happening content doesn't work. Because when you go to a fancy place, ideally you don't want to be on Instagram. You want to enjoy that. When we started our journey in 2019, I was very surprised that there is no platform to encourage genuine content for green change makers. So we decided to create one. 50 handpicked creators from Delhi NCR were invited to be a part of this event. Start with a relatable thing, and interaction should always add value to the user too. People would educate other people there. That's why I say it's a community, because people talk to each other and help each other. We decided to host the first Green Change Makers event, which was a platform where different creators came together and shared their knowledge and undertook a collective journey. A journey to create a positive change. A journey to inspire 1 million gardeners.
I'm from a generation which believed only Facebook was social media. Then I did #plants and it was a whopping 28.1 million posts. 200 comments, over 5 lakh views. Social media is such an inclusive space. Anybody and everybody with a phone can be on social media.
Editors from top magazines and newspapers join in the discussion.
Till now, I feel content is the king. When you're telling a story, so I think it all boils down on how good a storyteller you are. You need to find a central part, somewhere where we can connect the dots, somewhere we can tap the trends.
Talking about relevance of social media in bringing about a positive change.
So I had a few plants earlier, but I found it very difficult to manage them. But once Lazy Gardener introduced me food sticks, it helped my plants a lot to thrive.
This was followed with deep discussions on how, as a community of creators, we can grow together.
We as a family stumbled upon Lazy Gardener and realized that okay, we must, because we anyway compost and all of that, but still we thought ki chalo, let's buy a few packets, and discovered ki out of nowhere dormant plants are coming in back to life, and we're like, oh god, we haven't lost that yet. So that's how we got into documenting plants, and now I just run the Insta thinking ki chalo, this plant gave me happiness today, let's put it out there, and how possibly maybe in a small way we can inspire more people to take up gardening slowly and steadily.
I do know for a fact that your content strategy can't be similar for Instagram and Facebook. It has to be completely different.
Your story is 24 hours, post might last a few days, that's what I would say the shelf life is. But IGTV video can get recommended again and again, even weeks later, right? The same, I mean, just think of it stories, but a shelf life of about 30 minutes.
So what I try, which doesn't work, is try to follow new people relevant to my hashtags.
Right.
And then some of them follow me back. But that number is really small.
Maybe you're doing content which is already done to death. There's nothing new, right? They don't want to follow somebody new. So see how you can bring newness.
Because we as a community keep talking of posting, creating content. But I know a lot of people who feel the pressure and then, oh, my followers are decreasing. Or there were only 80 likes today, or there were only 1,000 likes today. So have you two been in that space, and do you feel the responsibility?
Yes, surely. And yes, I do feel the pressure as well. I'm doing something else apart from this as well. So for me, it's very hard to take time out. Whatever, people are demanding A, B, this is, like I said, this is what you signed up for, right? So many times that you say something people miss out on, so you have to keep reiterating, you have to clarify your stance. So yes, I feel the responsibility of doing more genuine content. keeping them updated, posting regularly.
Do you actually take pictures through the week randomly and then decide, oh, today I want to put this out?
I don't think there is any formula in terms of what you should do, but you should definitely not clutter people's feed. I would say go max to about 2 photos a day.
Basically, you get so lots of DM and they say that ma'am, I'm a great follower of you. So how you basically react to that particular message, and when they tag you, what you do?
Absolutely fine. I most genuinely thank them.
Every particular DM.
Yes, if it's not obscene.
Instagram, spreading positive message, and anything and everything in between, from you creating it to people consuming it. When I look back and if somebody asks what we did right, we stumbled upon these things.
At Lazy Gardener, we were really lucky to have good reach and growth on social media. And it's now our time to give back and share with community to help these green change makers amplify their reach and to collaborate with each other.
I got so inspired by your stories, and I mean, thank you so much for this event.
Fabulous, it's brilliant. It's the only way that people have secured a better future for everybody around.
Overall, I think Lazy Gardener did a fantastic job of building the community and getting people together. And I think from social to real interaction,
This initiative, 1 Million Gardeners, will actually tell you how you can be a part of the climate change movement.
Excellent. This initiative is going to definitely bring more and more, change makers in the society.
Great time to be over here.
I think it's a fantastic initiative.
So a lot of learning for me personally. So great format and very engaging.
Lazy Gardener wants to turn 1 million people into gardeners. I think that's a very positive and important thought that they have in mind.
Thank you for organizing this.
Go online and share more. We love seeing this stuff.
We are committed to support both creators and gardeners. This is just the first step towards 1 million gardeners.